Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this hatch-based Linux distro, which is CachyOS and Garuda. So let's quickly dive into it. CachyOS is all about performance efficiency with custom kernel, CPU-specific customization, and a lean setup. It runs fast, light, while still giving out full hatch flexibility. The pros are speed, low blunt, and excellent gaming performance. The cons are that it's more hands-on with fewer flashy features out of the box. Garuda focus on ease of use and style. It comes loaded with gaming tools, snapshot, and polished themes, making it a beginner-friendly and visual appealing. Talking about the pros are convenient built-in features and a sleek desktop. On the downside, there are higher resource usage, heavier update, and sometimes extra blunt. So if you want raw performance, go with CachyOS, and if you want polished and convenience, go with Garuda. And just it. That's it. If you find the video helpful, turn on the button and subscribe for more review.